The reason I'm going to use, I brought the tripod and it falls over because I use my phone instead of one of the action cameras. They have too much of a wide angle on it.
If your phone you do that, you could do a roll-by or a rolling. You know, you say you press tripod.
What do they call that? A B-roll.
C-roll. You could do a C-roll, ABC. Yeah, you do that.
But I have to stop. I don't want to stop.
You go there,
just put it there, leave the camera on, we'll pick it up on the way back, right?
You don't have anybody here, you see? You go by and pick it up.
Oh no, I know. You go back and get it.
And you move in on the middle row here, coming up.
Oh, I think especially if you put a little piece of orange survey tape or orange duct tape, that people would avoid it on here.
Yeah, you can put a post behind it and put a camera there so people won't hit it.
We're not in Chicago, Paul.
Oh yeah, well, Chicago, yeah.
Your camera would be gone.
Yeah, they come by. Restart, man.
I mean, don't leave anything outside. It'll be gone when you come back. Even if you're just going in the house because you're working on the car. You hope your car is still there. And or the tires, the wheels. My cars got broken into so often in Chicago, man. I just left it unlocked because they break the damn window.
Yeah,
and dumped the ashtray on the seat.
I told you that.
Yeah, looking for, well, they probably got some seeds, but they didn't.
They put it out.
Huh? They're looking for
tomatoes. They didn't do that all the time back then, you know.
They did steal my Pioneer. I forgot it out there, but I had it mounted under my seat with a graphic equalizer on it. 100 watt. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, when they dump the ashtray out, I think they're looking for roaches. Whoa! No, I never left roaches in my ashtray. I always smoked them up. So I gave the woman at the gas station, I gave her one. I said, here, you have one, try them when you get home, you know. She's like, cool. Well, that was before I read the instructions on it that said do not eat more than a half. At the gas station where I buy my gummies. Huh? The mobile in town.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That would be a bad place to go off. They had a much bigger selection before. But see, the same guy owns the liquor store or bar that's south of that. And they have a big section with glassware and all kinds of stuff. So I haven't seen her in a while. I want to ask her how the gummy was. I don't go into that often. I go in there for night crawlers and gummies. Oh! The night crawlers to feed the toad. So I always have fish bait too that way. Not that I've gone fishing in a long time. This sounds busy here. Okay. I have the power. Oh. Ow. Yeah, and on top of it, this throttle, it's one of them half throttles, I guess they call it. Like the whole grip doesn't turn, just the inside part. See? But this thing is rock hard. No support for the nerve that runs through the palm of your hand. Like this one, see, it's got that. Yeah. And this, so I can hold on to the horns. But I've tried 3 different throttles on here, so I could put a...
Yeah, I can use one for the motorcycle, armrest throttle.
Well, I got cruise control. No, I don't like having to squeeze this damn thing. It's hard. There's a nerve that runs through your hand, and that, I forget, median nerve, I think. There we go, 11.2. 1.2 miles an hour over the speed. Now,
you're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings and fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
how you doing, Paul? We're catching up to an analog biker. What's that? Yeah, it's not much busy though. I'll bet you even the weekend it's not that bad out here. Not like if you're on the trails in the east, you know, by the city.
Maybe a few cars, people that have nothing that far away that they ride a bike.
Right. Well,
It's not on the front.
well, and there's a lot more access to the trail for people that live on apartments or whatever. It's easy for them to go for a walk on the trail.
They come from where?
Whoa, whoa! In the city.
Oh, yeah.
Well, even like, you know, kind of not city, but no, there's a lot of accesses to the trail. So you can walk out of your apartment down to half a block and you're on the trail. Well, especially, yeah. No, there's a lot of other trails in Chicago. At least they're marked as bike trails on Google. But there could be a street. I put too much air in my tongue. But I want it rain. That's for 14 now. Picking it up or not? Wonder where that goes. That was like a walking trail. We must be coming up to some forest preserves or something. Did you see that walking trail?
Yeah. I know. We're going to explore.
Look at my phone. I tightened it up twice now. I'll have to put super glue on it. It's those crossings, the bridges. And I seem to aim for every single bump. Even though it's marked with a circle, I hit it.
Hey, wasn't there a video on YouTube? Some guy did stealth camping on a bicycle?
Did what happen?
Something on YouTube. This guy did stealth camping on a bicycle.
Oh yeah, a lot of it. I've been watching a guy that's been on the road for 230 days. He just left the Grand Canyon. His friend from Michigan came to visit him and go bike riding. And they went back to the Grand Canyon, and then they went. Then they parted ways, and the next place he went was Salt Lake to see the lake, and that was pretty bad. Oh yeah, and now he's on his way to the Salt Flat, and he doesn't go in any campground. He goes a lot in that government land. I can't think what they call it. It's the government, you know. And then there's land trusts in some states, you know. Those you can camp on or shoot or whatever out west. And you can ride the interstate out west, because there is nothing else. Yeah, nice shoulders. Nice shoulders. Might be cars parked. Maybe this is Caledonia. That trail, it might have been where that other park was that I didn't know the name of. You can access it from the road, or there's a trail right here. Hey, here's your silos, Paul. Hey, oh, big one over here. A lot of them here. 2, 3, 7 of them. Oh yeah, I remember. I was showing. This is your porta potty here, Paul. Yeah. No, I sent you stuff on this. We never did go on this trail. And here's another trailhead. What are you trying to look at the trail map? Yeah, Cynical always complains, there's no map. I always want a map. I guess that's why he's Cynical Zombie.